It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hey, long time no see, okay? Welcome to Itz Sirap, alright? If you are new over here on Itz Sirap, hair, skin, and body, I make videos about hair, makeup, body products, all that good stuff, okay? So in this video, I have a wig, okay? So this is a Mayvenn Headband wig, and let's see which one this is. I ordered 2 of them, so I will be doing 2 separate videos showing you all these wigs, okay? So when you open it up, it has like this magnetic seal here, and this on the inside. Then you pull out the little drawer, and this wig that I have on right now is from Mayvenn. I need to wash it and everything, but I've been wearing it to work and it's been getting the job done, okay? So this one is the Brazilian water wave. I got this one in 20 inches. And this is how it looks fresh out of the bag. They have a little netted cap over it. And they have some paper on the inside to keep the shape. And this is what the headband looks like. And this is what the inside looks like. I don't use the comb. If you are oldie but a goodie on the channel, you know I'm not a comb kind of girl. So I usually just cut those out. But this is how it looks. Super cute. I think I might wear it like this a couple of times and then wash it. I kind of want to see the difference in the curls before. You know how when you wash it, sometimes the pattern change a little bit. But so I'm going to put it on like this, and then I'm going to show y'all how it looks when it's washed. Okay, in the box you also get some other stuff, okay? They give you 5 headbands, okay? And the colors are kind of like this black, this kind of gold, champagne, white, and gray, okay? So these are like some everyday kind of neutral colors that they give you. Of course, you get a satin bag to put your wig in, and you get a care booklet, okay? So I'm gonna take this wig off. And I'm gonna slide this back so we can try this on. So it has this Velcro situation. The other headband wig that I got from Mayvenn doesn't have this, so this must be like a new development. It's like a double Velcro. Now to put these wigs on, what I like to do is kind of move the headband out of the way and just work with this part. And just put it on my noggin. Now, of course, this will work even better if your hair is braided down or flat. My hair is just washed, and I tried to slick it back, but my hair ain't really slicking back these days. Okay. So this is how it looks. Super cute. So you could just wear it like this. You can kind of fluff it out, which is what I'm going to do. I don't want to disturb the curls too much, but I do want it to kind of fluff a little bit. The other headband wig that I got from Mayvenn is deep wave. So this water wave, they didn't have the water wave at the time that I got the other one. They had first launched the headband wigs, so they got some new textures. I'll put my Mayvenn store link in the description bar for y'all. But this water wave is giving. Okay, this is cute. So I kind of want to leave it like this. I really love these curls. This is so cute. And I know the more I fluff the curls out, the bigger it's going to get. And I have been craving some big hair without having to deal with any lace or anything like that, because it's really hot right now. So I decided the headband wig would be the way to go. I need to put a headband on. Which one should we do? Let's go with the gold. Typically, I put my headband on first. I put my headband on, then put the wig on, and then pull the headband up and over my face. Ooh. I'm gonna be at work next week, honey. Like, who is that? That's Miss Chisholm over there. That's Miss Chisholm over there, y'all. Getting bigger and bigger. Just finger detangling it. This is the shedding that I got, just like a little shedding. Okay. So when I finally wash it, I will do another look and show y'all how it's looking. But this is the initial look. And for my initial review, I really like the curl pattern. I feel like long is definitely the way to go with this hair. The ends of it, if you did want to like kind of straighten it out and give it a trim, you could. The very tip of the ends are a little thinner than the rest of the hair, so I'm glad that I did get a really long length. And I think the other one that I have is an 18 inch, so I'm glad I got this one in 20. Okay, with the headband situation, you can do like a flip over kind of look. I know everybody is kind of going back to that flip over look. So I am loving this, y'all. Love it, love it, love it. The shirt I have on says faith over fear. I got it from Temu. I have my link in the description bar for Temu as well. So all that's left to do is to pop some earrings on, and she is ready to go. Okay, so let me know in the comments if y'all are still rocking headband wigs. I know where I'm at, it's been super hot, so the headband wig, it just keeps the hair out of my face for the most part, and I don't have to worry about lace and all that. And even when I wear headband wigs, I typically don't like lay baby hair and do that kind of stuff. But if you like that, you can definitely do that. You can just lay your baby hair and keep it laid, and then just pop your headband wig on every day. I am trying to work on a braid pattern that I like for under my headband wig. So if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. Right now, I just kind of slick my hair back, but because my hair is getting a lot longer, it's not really slicking back. It's just like big and poofy up under there. So in order to get my wigs flat, I have to start braiding my hair down, which is awesome that my hair is long enough to braid. So I do want to try to get back into some sew-ins and stuff. This is like my first time, I feel like, ever being like 100% natural. No relaxer, no colors, none of that. So I am trying to see like what all I can do with my hair, and I still have to give y'all a video updating everything about my hair journey, when I shaved my head and all that. I haven't really told y'all about all of that, but I am going to do a video with all those details, so keep an eye out for that. But let me know in the comments how you all feel about this wig. I absolutely love it. I love the curl. I can't wait to wash it to see if the curl pattern kind of stays like this, or you know, how it looks or whatever. But I will keep y'all updated, okay? But right out the bag, she ready to go, okay? So give this video a big old thumbs up, share it with a friend. I will have the link to the exact wig that I got below if y'all want to get this one, and I'll have the link to my Mayvenn store down there as well. All right, always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line in that order, okay? And guess what time it is? It's a wrap. I will see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.